Top 7 Best Drone Under $300 in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Sanrock U52 1080p HD Camera FPV Drone. Sanrock is a prominent brand that specializes in developing drones and quadcopters with advanced features for adults, kids, beginners, and professionals. The brand also sells relevant accessories and replacement parts. Sanrock's U52 drone comes with all the standard features for a safe and exciting flying experience. The drone can perform 360-degree flips and follow a preset flying route. It has a gravity sensor to fly the drone by moving your smartphone up and down. Plus, the drone has auto-hovering mode and headless mode. The one-key start/landing button and the one-key return allows for easy operation of the drone. It has 2 speed modes to suit the requirements of beginners and experienced pilots. The drone has a range of 100 meters. When it crosses that, the transmitter will sound an alarm to alert you. The drone is equipped with a built-in 1080 HD camera to deliver the most realistic footage. Using the FPV real-time transmission, you can enjoy real-time first-person view on the Smart app. The camera can be adjusted up to 90 degrees to take photos from desired angles. The photos and video clips are automatically saved to the microSD card. The drone is made of high-quality ABS material that can withstand drops and shocks. The propeller guards on the sides ensure your safety when flying in close quarters. The drone lasts for up to 10 to 13 minutes on a single charge. Number 6. Contixo F24 Pro Drone. Contixo is one of the famous brands when it comes to the reliability and efficiency of drones. In all its products, it offers top-notch specifications. Discussing the Contixo F24 Pro foldable drone, it offers premium quality specifications for the price. The key component of this drone is its 4K Ultra HD camera. It is actually a 9-tidig vertical adjustable camera equipped with a 120-tidig FOV lens. This camera allows you to capture stunning pictures in 4K Ultra HD quality. Also, it lets you record 2.7K video for exceptional clarity, vivid colors, and deep contrast. What makes this GPS drone unique in the market is it comes with a maximum flight time of 30 minutes. The built-in 2500 mAh battery offers up to 30 minutes of flying time. The LED lights present on the battery depict the remaining power. On the side, a micro USB charging port is available. Number 5. Holystone HS700 FPV Drone with 2K FHD Camera. As Holystone is quite popular for making a wide range of drones, the HS700 FPV drone is more focused on videography and has some quality specs for such purposes. The HS700D fits the budget pretty well and offers top-notch video quality with its 2K FHD 9-tidig adjustable camera covering almost every angle for you with its 110 dig FOV. Apart from that, the fast and accurate 5 GHz live video transmission is a handy feature to see from the drone's perspective. Unlike most drones, this drone comes with a battery of 2800 mAh capacity, which delivers a flying time of almost 22 minutes on a single charge. For the next flight, you will need to charge it again, for which it takes up to 5-7 hours. However, the control range of 3,200 and transmission range of 1,640-2,600 is amazing for a drone in this price range. Number 4. Ruko 16-inch GPS drones with camera. Well, if you like the previous drone from Ruko, the F11 Pro, but didn't want to spend that much, choosing the F11 over the F11 Pro while saving some bucks is not a bad decision either. It has all the necessary features that make it a great alternative to its own Pro version. You will be amazed to see the drone's performance and build quality. The flexible and strong design is complemented with level 7 wind resistance. Apart from that, its camera is capable of capturing 4K quality images and 1080 Full HD videos effortlessly while all the maneuvering control stays in your hand. It can go higher up to 4,000 while still staying connected because of the amazing signal band. On the other hand, you can enjoy the 5G FPV transmission up to a range of 1600 quite easily. Number 3. DEERC D20 Mini Drone for Kids. If you are looking for beginner-level mini drone for fun photography or for your kids, then DEERC D20 is the right product to invest in. This drone is equipped 720 HP camera which is capable of taking aerial videos and photos. Because of the FPV transmission, you can check out the live feed through smartphone app. It features a low power alarm and emergency stop features which ensure a safe flight. It is equipped with 2 rechargeable batteries which give out 20 minutes of runtime. It comes with voice control options so you can just provide commands like landing or take off to the drone. With gesture selfie feature, you can just show your palm at the camera, and it will take the photo automatically. This drone is also equipped with Waypoints Fly, which means you can set a flight course on your phone and it will fly according to it. Number 2. Ruko F24 Pro Drone 4K Quadcopter UHD Live Video GPS Drone. The Ruko brand is popular for manufacturing durable drones. When you pick any drone from this brand, you are benefited with long-lasting use and great stability. The Ruko F24 Pro Drone is an excellent choice when it comes to reaching long distances and great heights. This drone is capable to transmit video signals up to 300-500 meters. Moreover, it supports image transmission up to 500 meters distance. Through powerful GPS positioning, the F24 Pro can fly steadily to capture clear quality images. In its configuration, the 4K Ultra HD camera lets you experience stunning 4K Ultra HD picture quality as well as 2.9K video for exceptional clarity. The output images represent deep contrast and bright colors. You will experience the amazing beauty in ultra-high definition. With the help of a 120 FOV lens, you get a wide view of the moment. The key specialty of this Ruko drone is its flight time. It comes with a maximum flight time of 60 minutes. This is made possible by its built-in 2500 mAh battery. This battery delivers up to 30 minutes of flight time. An extra battery is included in the pack. It prolongs your flight time to 60 minutes. Number 1. Holystone HS720 Foldable GPS Drone with 2K FHD Camera. Holystone is one of the best drone brands because it offers exceptional build quality along with top-notch specifications in all their products. We have put the HS720 Foldable GPS Drone in first position in our article as it fits right into the list and offers premium quality specifications for the price. The camera quality is absolutely crisp as it offers 2K video capturing with 2048 x 1152 resolution. Along with that, the camera housing has dedicated shock absorbers for delivering great image stabilization with super smooth transitions. Moreover, the 90 degrees tilting camera and 5 GHz FPV transmission, it becomes easier to see the world from various angles. Its sturdy build and foldable design make it more suitable to carry and withstand shocks and drops. The controller can keep you connected with the drone even if it's 3,000 feet away because of the 2.4 GHz transmitter. In addition, it is equipped with lots of useful features like optical flow positioning, which makes it hover on a specific place smoothly. Apart from that, the custom flight feature lets you set a trajectory for the drone to fly, or you can just record yourself while moving using the follow me mode. You can enjoy all those features for a long time as the inbuilt battery can keep the drone flying effortlessly for almost 26 minutes. In case the battery gets low or the drone starts to lose the signal, it comes right back to you automatically with the GPS return home feature. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best drone under $300 in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.